I'm sharing 10 last-minute DIY Christmas gift ideas. If you still need meaningful gifts and don't have hours to craft, every one of these can be made in an afternoon. These are cozy, budget-friendly Christmas gifts that actually look high-end. They're perfect for teachers, neighbors, or anyone else on your list. We're starting with some clay garden markers. They're simple, beautiful, and feel like something you'd find in a boutique garden shop. I am going to be using the oven baked clay from Michaels. You do want to make sure it's oven baked clay because air dry clay is not good for outdoors where there's going to be weather. I wanted these to feel organic and homemade, nothing perfect. I just roll out the clay, cut them into a steak shape, and pressed lettering in them gently. Then you're going to bake these in the oven. It took almost an hour to bake mine. I think I slightly over baked mine, but it definitely took longer than the package instructed. So you're going to want to keep an eye on it. Once they are baked, you can leave them natural like I did, or you could paint the letters. Either way, they make a thoughtful little gift. They're perfect for the garden lover. Next is one of my favorite time-saving gifts, a beautiful cookie box that feels homemade without spending hours baking all different kinds of cookies. So to save time, I picked up several different pre-made cookies. I bought some really cute clear holiday containers from the Dollar Tree and lined them with tissue paper. It is the little details that make this gift feel thoughtful, adding a little bit of twine and a simple tag. Also, with mixing several different kinds of cookies, it feels very curated and not just thrown together. This is perfect for neighbors, coworkers, or any last-minute gifting when you want something festive but really easy. I will be linking the Merry Christmas tag as well as the twine I used below if you want to grab it. If you enjoy cozy DIYs like this, giving this video a thumbs up really helps my channel, and I'd love for you to subscribe if this is your kind of content. Next is a cozy classic, homemade hot cocoa mix in a jar, all layered up with the toppings included. The cocoa mix itself couldn't be easier. You just add equal parts of cocoa powder, powdered sugar, and powdered milk. I layered the mix in first, then I added chocolate chips, crushed candy canes, marshmallows, and then some Christmas sprinkles. This is perfect for anyone who loves something warm and homemade during the holidays. I will link the printable tag I used below if you want to recreate this. This next DIY is a very meaningful and personalized homemade gift idea. I picked up some simple plain tiles from Home Depot. I printed photos on a regular copier paper and used Mod Podge to attach them. Once they were dry, I sealed the tops with a clear spray to protect them, and I added some felt pads underneath so they won't scratch the table. To finish them off, I stacked the coasters and tied them together with ribbon for a cute, gift-ready look. These are especially perfect for parents or grandparents, something they'll actually use and treasure. Next is one of the most meaningful gifts you can give. It's a 365 Reasons Why I Love You jar. I upcycled an empty jar, I did paint the lid, and I added a simple sticker that says 365 Reasons Why I Love You. Then I hand wrote each reason, cut them into strips, folded them, and placed them inside. This one definitely takes a little bit more time, but it is incredibly meaningful. This was a gift for my mom, and every day for the whole year, she could take one piece out and read a reason why I love her. It's the kind of gift someone can come back to every year if they save the pieces. It is super meaningful, very touching, and anybody would love to get this gift. I finished it with ribbon just to make it feel extra special and ready as a gift. Next is a super easy sugar cookie bar mix in a jar. It's festive, affordable, and perfect for gifting. I picked up the jar and the cookie mixes from Dollar Tree and just layered the first package. Then I added 1 cup of white chocolate chips, the second package, and then 1 cup of holiday M&Ms. A little twine and a baking instruction tag make this feel finished and gift ready. I'll link the baking instruction tag I used below so you can create this gift. Next is a simple but really elevated gift, homemade infused olive oil. I found a glass olive oil bottle at Dollar Tree that holds just over 1 cup of liquid. To make the infused oil, I warmed olive oil with chopped garlic, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of chili flakes on the stove. I let it simmer for a few minutes so the flavors could really infuse into the oil. My husband made me a little makeshift funnel out of aluminum foil because I didn't have a funnel, and it worked out perfectly. I finished it with twine and a simple tag to make it gift ready. This is such a great gift for anyone who loves to cook or host. For our next DIY, it is a cozy handmade candle. Simple, classic, and everybody appreciates a nice scented candle. I used some small 4-ounce mason jars, candle wicks, and some soy wax. I melted the wax in the microwave and then used a little bit of the melted wax to secure the wick to the bottom of the jar. Once that was secured and dried, I used the melted wax, poured it into the jars. I added a few drops of essential oils, and then I sprinkled in some dried herbs for a really cute touch. These make great gifts, and having them homemade just adds a special touch, especially in the holidays. Next is a really special seasonal treat, homemade cranberry butter. I again used the 4-ounce jars, and I kept the ingredients really simple. I used unsalted butter, a little honey, and cranberry sauce with the whole cranberries in it. Now you could get really creative and make this more savory with garlic, some herbs, or lemon butter. I whipped the butter at room temperature until it was light and fluffy. Then I mixed in the honey and the cranberries. To get it neatly into the jars, I spooned the butter into a sandwich bag. I clipped the corner and then I piped it into the containers. These little jars of butter make perfect gifts or an add-on to an existing gift. Next is a simple but really cute idea. It's a custom match holder paired with a candle. I found a little jar with a lid at Dollar Tree and picked up a box of matches. I added as many matches as I could inside the jar, and then to make it a custom match holder, I hot glued the match lighting strip right to the bottom of the jar. You do want to use hot glue because when someone's swiping the match, you don't want it to be coming off. It's functional but still really special, and you could pair this with a small candle, and this makes a great gift at a really affordable price. Love to know down below if you plan to make any of these DIY gifts. See you in the next video.